Okay, people, this is the Saranac Lake report, day after the blizzard of, what is this, 2011. October 29th, I believe, right? Today's the 30th. Anyway, day after the blizzard. We got really slammed hard, you know. Check it out. Boy, I mean, look at all that snow out there. Oh, boy. I couldn't believe it. October, I mean, why is it always got to be us? Nice blue sky and puffy clouds. There's a big campfire in space. Really deep blue sky today. Nice. So much snow. Let's go inspect it. See, in the Adirondacks, the snow is green on the 29th and 30th of October. Major storm 2011. You see? Middletown, 1 foot of snow, huh? That's funny. Usually it's us. And believe me, when the snow comes this early, it doesn't melt fast like it does down there. It sets up camp and then it calls its family and its friends. And I mean, they just keep coming. They like this place. I mean, look, it is pretty, isn't it? Even when all the leaves drop, it's still green. Except for all the snow on the ground, of course. There's the pines. Really cool. All white pines, predominantly. Well, post-storm 2011, we were slammed. Look at all that snow. I mean, the garden just couldn't handle it. The lettuce is like, what the heck? The picnic table's like, oh my goodness. It's only October, where's all this snow? I mean, this guy's not happy.